In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor. It's under the passenger side dash. Let's get started. Now that we made our way under the dash, we're going to be looking for the wiring harness. You can see that it has a wiring harness that attaches to the blower motor. It has a 7mm headed bolt holding it in place. Remove that bolt. Once you have that out of there, you can move this around a little bit. Let's get that out of the way. Now we're going to pay attention to the electrical connector, located on the back side here. You want to squeeze on the little tab and then remove the electrical connector from the blower motor. Give that a quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, go ahead and set that aside. Now we can move along to our three 5.5mm mounting bolts. There's one right here, one towards the firewall, and one all the way over on the passenger side. Remove all three. Hold that blower motor up for the last one. Remove the blower motor from under the dash. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new blower motor. Once you compare it to your original and you're sure it looks right, let's get it underneath the passenger side dash. Carefully slide it into place, aligning all three of your mounting bolt holes. Once you have it up there, start in all three of those bolts and then snug them up. Now that I have all three of those mounted, I'm going to continue on to the wiring harness. Let's carefully put this in place, slide it in, listen for a click. Once you hear that click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secure. Last step is putting in the mounting bolt for the wiring harness. Go ahead and line that up, start the bolt in, snug it up. Okay friends, we fully installed our blower motor. At this point, you just want to make sure you test it. Put the key in the on position and test it on all speeds. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.